Today we're going to be crafting a torch in Minecraft. Okay, let's make a new world here. I'm going to click Create New World, and I am going to title it Test World. And I'm just going to make a world in survival here. Okay, so looking around here, we spawned on an island, and the funny thing about this island is that there's actually an ocean monument on each side of the island. One of the essential things to crafting a torch in Minecraft is trees, which I do not have. So I will be giving myself a sapling. I'm going to have to allow cheats, and I'll be giving myself a sapling to grow. Okay, so we have the sapling now. I'm just going to plant it on the ground, and then I'm going to get myself some bone meal. That should be enough. And I'm just going to toss the rest away, although I do end up needing it later, so I go back to get it. Now I'm going to chop down this tree here, because as everyone knows, you need wood to create anything in Minecraft. And that's that all done. So I'm going to put the wood into my crafting slot and give myself some planks, and then I'm going to place one wood in each slot, which will give me a crafting table. So I'll put it on the ground here, because you need a crafting table to make a wooden pickaxe. I'm going to get myself some sticks, and then I'm going to make a pickaxe just like this, and I am going to take the crafting table, because you will always take your crafting table with you, unless you have a base or something. And now I'm going to go mine. This is a good spot. Just start digging out the dirt with your hands, and then use the pickaxe and mine some stone. And once you have 8 stone, you can just head back to the surface. You just need to jump up this little staircase I made. And then put down your crafting table again. Put 1 stone in each slot except the middle, which will give you a furnace. And then you can put the furnace on the ground like this. And this is where I realized the problem. You need either coal or charcoal to make a torch in Minecraft, and you can get charcoal by cooking a tree, which is why we made the furnace. I don't have a tree, so I had to go grab the bone meal and give myself another sapling. Actually, I just picked up the sapling off the ground. And once you have this tree cut down, you can just go over to the furnace once again, put the wood in, and then put in anything flammable and start cooking it. I realized we need sticks to make the torches, so I took the sticks back out. And then just wait. That should be enough time. I'm going to go back, and there's the charcoal. Put it in the crafting table, or your inventory works fine, and you have torches. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. We made torches in Minecraft. It was pretty good, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.